In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit website in Godaddy. To get started, sign into your Godaddy account and go to your main dashboard. Once you are on that screen, look to the top right corner. You will see your account name there. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select My Products. This is where Godaddy keeps all of the products and services connected to your account, so it is the main place you will go when you want to manage a website. After you arrive on the My Products page, scroll down until you find the section called Websites plus Marketing. This area lists the website projects that are connected to your account. Take a moment to find the specific website you want to update. If you have more than one site, it is a good idea to double-check that you are choosing the correct one before moving forward. Next to the website you want to work on, click the Manage button. This opens the main overview dashboard for that website. Think of this page as the control center for your site. From here, you can access the tools you need to make changes and update your content. Once you are on the website overview page, look for the bright blue button labeled Edit Website. In some accounts, this button may say Edit Site instead. Both options take you to the same place, so click whichever version appears on your screen. As soon as you select it, Godaddy will open your design workspace. This design workspace is the area where you can begin making changes to your website. It is where you edit the look, layout, and content of your site. If you are following along for the first time, take a second to get familiar with the screen after it loads. That can make the editing process feel much easier. The key part of this process is simply navigating to the correct website and opening the editor. Once you are inside the editing area, you are in the right place to start updating your site. That covers everything you need to know.